Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Yesterday we have discussed that some princely states were not agree to join India. Jammu Kashmir was one of that princely state which created problem, which was not willing to join India. Now, if you see the location of Jammu and Kashmir, this is an area of Jammu. Actually, this wrong arrow is mentioned here. It should be here. This Jammu area, this is Kashmir, that is valley area, and this is Ladakh, that is hilly area. If you see, this wrong arrow is mentioned. Actually, it should be like this only, and here it should be like this only. Okay. Now, in 11th class, you have studied that special status was given to Jammu and Kashmir according to Article 370. If we see the location of Jammu and Kashmir, it is comprising of three areas. Kashmir is a valley area, Jammu is a plain area, and Ladakh is a hilly area. And culturally also different type of people they are living here. Now, if we see in Jammu, mostly the Hindus, Muslim and Sikhs they live here, and this is plain area. And if we see this Kashmir, this is valley area, and mostly the Muslim people they live here. And this Ladakh, as I have told you, it is hilly area, and mostly the Buddhist people they live here. Clear? And some Muslims also live here in this Ladakh area. Now, what was the cause of problem here? How this problem started in Jammu and Kashmir? Students, Kashmir, which was a princely state as I have told you, and in Kashmir, Maharaja Hari Singh was the ruler. Maharaja Hari Singh was the ruler of Kashmir, and he was a Hindu ruler. Maharaja Hari Singh did not want to join India, and he also did not want to join Pakistan. He wanted to keep his princely state as independent state. He was not willing to join any out of two, India or Pakistan. But what happened? Some Pakistani leaders they believe that Kashmir is the part of Pakistan, and the people of Kashmir they were very much tired with the princely rule, with the ruler of Maharaja Hari Singh, and they wanted to get rid of. But they also not wanted to join Pakistan. Means they neither wanted to be independent and nor they wanted to join Pakistan. It means indirectly the people of Jammu and Kashmir they were in favor of joining India. Now, what happened? In 1947, Pakistan sent its army to Kashmir, and Maharaja Hari Singh was not capable enough to protect its state from the attack of Pakistan, so now he needed the help of India. This is the incident of October 1947. India was agree to give help to Maharaja Hari Singh to protect it from the tribal people which were sent by Pakistan. India had sent its military support and India has driven back the infiltrators from Kashmir Valley. But before sending its army, India has asked Maharaja Hari Singh to sign the instrument of accession. Now he needed the help of India, so Maharaja Hari Singh agreed and he signed instrument of accession. As I have told you earlier that Indian government attitude towards the princely states was not so harsh. The Indian government was always ready to negotiate, to give more and more power to these states. So when Maharaja Hari Singh signed instrument of accession, then Indian government has sent the help, but it was decided that when the situation will be normalized, there will be plebiscite. People will be asked what they want. Either they want to join Pakistan, or they want to join India, or they want to remain independent. Plebiscite will be conducted. Now, some relaxations were given to Jammu and Kashmir. As I have told you, Indian army has driven back the infiltrators from Kashmir Valley, and at that time there was a party known as National Conference. National Conference party was there, and Sheikh Abdullah, the leader of National Conference, became the Prime Minister of Jammu Kashmir. Now you will be surprised what the ma'am is saying. Prime Minister? Yes, students. When this instrument of accession was signed by Maharaja Hari Singh, at that time I have told you some relaxations were given, and according to them, that was according to Article 370, and according to that, the Chief Minister of Jammu Kashmir will be known as Prime Minister. So, when he signed instrument of accession, then on 21st April 1948, a resolution was passed, and in that resolution it was decided that to solve the Kashmir issue, 3-step process will be there. Number 1, Pakistan had to withdraw its entire nationalities who entered into Pakistan. Number 2, India needed to progressively reduce its forces so as to maintain law and order. And third, a plebiscite was to be conducted in free and impartial manner. Clear? So these 3 were the steps to solve the issue, what to do in Pakistan, in Jammu and Kashmir. So special relaxations were given to Jammu and Kashmir according to Article 370, and according to that first relaxation was that head of the government in Jammu Kashmir will be known as Prime Minister, and as I have told you, the leader of National Conference Sheikh Abdullah became the Prime Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. Students, what happened after this? What were the issues in Kashmir, internal issues and external issues, that we will discuss tomorrow. Till then, goodbye and take care.